Hello, everyone. So today we're going to be talking about how to list your NFTs as a bundle on Opensea. So first thing you want to do is go to Profile. From Profile, you would want to press More Options on the NFT you want to bundle. You would then select Sale. Now for this example, I only have one NFT, so I don't have enough NFTs to bundle. But if you did, you would just select the NFTs you want to bundle. You would then select Sell. Now, because I don't have enough NFTs to bundle, it's going to look different. But there's basically just two things you have to do. You just put in the amount. So, say you have two NFTs that you want to bundle, each one is priced at zero point 0.1. So then the total amount would be 0.2. And that's the price of the bundle. Then it would basically ask you to put a name in for the bundle. And then complete listing. And then MetaMask will pop up, and then you just sign, and that's it.